Kublai P. Baro Shakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta kasngi kilong. Play Education Minister Lakman Rumboy ya ka school building bathamai ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Jaido. Kruit ka jingatay halor ka issue ILP haying dorbar. Tum ka umsining Block Congress ya kinongyalam bat pensyai halor ka jing penkala kerteng ya ka scheme MGNREGA ban bami ka jing dawa penka district Shillong kular Menteri Rangba ban bishar benya. Bat mentang ina pai ki Khubor ki bakham benya. Education Minister Lakman Rumboy ula play ya ka school building bathamai jo ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Jaido kabala penya the Sisters of St. Anne of Chennai kabahab hapo nanba parish nong Ston Diocese saka khatlai tarik Rymphang harangkat ka jingdan lang uba Gabriel Walang local MLA. Lakar kuya kani ka school the Most Reverend Archbishop Victor Lindo Archbishop joka Shillong Archdiocese harangkat ka jingdan lang u Bishop Wilbert Marwen Bishop joka Nongstoin Diocese ka Mother General joka St. Anne of Chennai Sister Clara Vasanthi SSAM Sister Celine Regional Superior SSAM ki padar bat ki sestar. Ladon ru ka mas bakut ha ka balaturwa bat penmenta du Most Reverend Archbishop Victor Lindo ha ka jing senran lang u Bishop Wilbert padar parish priest padar Roland baru padar Gervasius Nongse SDB. Hadian kamas la penpu penpieng ya kini kesngi deki program be internet jongki kena skol ka St. Anthony's. Ka jingatai halor ka issue inner line permit kala krit bha menta ka steps ngi balang hapedeng kaliang persya bat kaliang sensyar. Kama shwa jongkani Menteri Rangba ke Jylla konrat ki sangma ula ong ba ke Jylla menta kadangnya kun banyo ya ka an ke ban khangla diki banabar ni kinong wei shwa bakin rung shapo kani ke Jylla kat ba ka sarkar India kadang bishar halor ka inner line permit. Ya kani Menteri Rangba ula jubab halor ka jingkeli balawanra da UMLA ka so yong ba sensyar ku paroi lindo thaba haki kenta keli jingkeli jo ka dorbar mang tengkah.
Saying that this has been completely, MRSSA has completely failed to withstand the scrutiny of judiciary. No, it has not.
Sir, I never said that the whole act. Sir, he's interfered before when I was speaking, sir. So I will replicate that now. I did not say that. He's putting words into my mouth. I have said specifically that the entry-exit gates, that aspect was not in the act, but it was there in the rules. So therefore, anything in the rules should be backed by an act. The provision should be there in the act. It was not there. And hence it becomes difficult for us to implement an entry-exit point in the rules without the provisions being there in the act. That is the whole point, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
What is the question, please?
Therefore, may I get a categorical assurance that particular order pertaining to this MRSSA by the Honorable High Court, as the case was disposed of, be placed on the table of the House once again.
So we will place that. We will place the specific part, provisions of the rules that were made by the government then, and also the act to show that there is no provision in the act to have any entry-exit points. So we'll put the whole set together and we'll put it on the table of the House.
Is Barden? Somewhere, please.
Sir, in the course of the reply, the Chief Minister has replied, but and according to his explanation, sir, we can understand, we can come to the conclusion that the government is not at all serious with the issue of ILP. So, let me justify and substantiate. The government is examining. When the government is examining, the ILP that means it is a continuous process. How long it will take? And this very House had passed a resolution. When was the resolution passed? Till today, we are yet to see the light of the day, sir. You give me time because this is very
I've
important.
given so much time.
But let me express, sir. The problem that we are facing, why the state wants ILP? Let all here be clear. Why the state wants ILP? Because the contribution to the influx into the state of Meghalaya doesn't come only from the foreigners. It comes from outsiders outside the state of Meghalaya. So, which is why we feel that ILP is the best mechanism. Whether you like it,
Ka Umsning Block Congress Committee haka khatnyo tarik Rymphang kala penlong ya ka General Body Meeting. Lani ka Jylla ka Kerpang na ka benta ki nongkit kam ki ba hakmat jong ki unit baper ki ba hap hapo ka Umsning constituency ya ka bala penlong hasnong dihar. Hakani ka Jylla lawan benyadon bentalang da Presiden Rangba ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC uba Vincent H. Pala batla senran lang da uba Manuel Badwar Secretary Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Kong Joplin Shilla State President Mahila Congress Samla Norbert Jana Nongbet General Secretary Meghalaya Youth Congress ba Rocky Marweng President Karibhoy District Congress Committee lembat kidukot naki unit paper. Ka Umsning Block Congress Committee kala penlong yakani ka Jylla kadai halor lai tedikiman kata kalong banjir di Presiden jangka distrik kabaar ban pensyai patba halor ka jing persya ka parti ya ka jing penkala ya ka skim MGNREGA syaka VBG kabalai kalong ban pentip patba baka kongres kan penlong ya ka jing persya ya ka skim VBG kabala penkala na ka skim Shispasngi kabanlong haka arpau tarik Rymphang hanong ba Shillong bat ban ya wer ki patba ban kersya ya ka parti hakate kasngi
ka jingwan jongpi ka jingtmu jongi ban pelong kini ka jinglang jongkong kongres ka don haki lai banta ka banongkong kalong ba ngi ka parti menta ngimut ban jit no yo presiden jong ka distrik te habajit yo presiden ka distrik ka parti menta kalah change ka sistem ki wan Delhi te menta ka singi ka lawan do Delhi na ICC ban jit yo presiden tengi kwa ban ai ke jing pensau thu i pajba bagi jit presiden te ki pajba kin habdon ka se ma ke jing ong jong ki te Delhi ki ban skin sawan i kondo e ki block presiden baper habaro kini ki santli ki block pat kawai ka district kin sikondo umde tang ki block presiden ki kondo e ki supporters ki leaders ki babon ban pej u presiden jong ka district uba la ban yalam ya ka parti kabar kalong bang i pensau thu pai ba habade bat kene ka skim chis pasngi kuma kalong menta kabun ke jingkela kene ka skim chis pasngi banongkong ki pekala ya ka kateng mah katama kanthi saga VBG te kene ke de ke jengmut ba ki BJP ki ba ban pelong hakata korkom babat ya ka kateng jong ka skim ki ba ban bo da ka katen ram ndre ga de short form ndre ki lek nang kene ban penlong communalize no bat ke skim ro kaba ke kongres kelas dang na do mentala arko snem gibon gi jing penkela ka ki use ki technology ki paper ki use ki an ki paper kana bagani ke skim ba penyai de kongres kanam trebha te kabalai kolong ba ban persya ke ni ka arko trik ngikum ka parti ngin pelong ka jing persya ngin pelong ka march ka protes po Shillong ikot ngewer ki perlok nang ni na riboy kamtam na umsning bat barok kowe ka Meghalaya ban yawan hak arpotrik hak por kendai siting hangte hamadan malki kenang ben yo ban protes na benta kene skim ngilai ba BJP kemut ban amend ya ka farm laws rendang i protes ka penkelab yang ngilai ba kimut ba amend ya ka land acquisition ndang i protes ke simbiang tikibon BJP ke kwa ban le ban pen communalize ki ain ki rule leni kan ai ki he bikin monopoli ki jingyo jengkot ren ka kongres ke bayeng rengkat ki pajba ke bayeng rengkat pi duk la dengi don operation ringi protes ki pajba ki don batni tela ki pajba ki don batni le pajba ki don bat kejing sisa ngaklem arten ke BJP kan hap surrender te kajing sedang kadai nani na umsning kajing sedang nang ni na riboy kajing sedang nang ni na Meghalaya ni gerpat iki paiba kin ya simbenta kenang ba kajing temu bat kajing kwa jing ikan long ke bacap kumbala kane kajing persya kade all over India kene baro all over India ngalawan habaro ki state ngai ki babon hi khamtam na support India state ki persya kene marka kta ya ka yok ka kot jam ki nong kendong khamtam ngalawan ha ka babon ki Shillong ngalawan sejantia chawes ka sales bat mentah ne reboy ngai babon ki pai ba kisnel tu khamtam ke skim chispa sngi khamtip maki baningi ka jing jenjar ka jing duk ka jing yarap jong ka skim te ki khamtip maki baningi re menta ka BJP ka la pelong nak kum ke vipen rene kum kalat ban le arsap iki pai ba ki sel thu hi kelas dang na do menta kelas dang na do ki snem ke bladep menta le kala pen kelas non da ka ain te ki pai ba ki yarap ki pai ba ki ai ke jing kersan ya ka parti kongres kiwe ki nong mikmat babon hi ba ki belong mentai ki badon kongres ki yo ki kesan ni long meeting ni kisngi baladep baro ni ki yang ki district ke beper ki blok ki yawan bat ngin sami ya ketu kesngi ngin sami pai ba ngin spen I ba baro ki bru ki yung idon ka operation ring ngap ladang idon MLA
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma hakasngi balang uloong ba dan kamban bishar benia halor ka jing terwa ban pihak distrik Thamai ya ke Shillong ni ke Shillong agglomerate kabalawan ra ada MLA ke Shillong West pa Pol Lengdo hayeng dorbar menta kasngi haba jubab halor kamat yatai short duration motion Menteri Rangba uloong ba ka te ke jing terwa kabawan ra ada ba Pol kadai ka basyongnya henry kadai pat kamat kabahap mandayatai bat kran sani bahaswa
public service delivery. As our state capital continues to expand in size, complexity, and population, it becomes increasingly important to examine whether our existing administrative structures are adequately aligned with present and future governance needs. It is therefore both timely and appropriate for this House to deliberate on the proposal in the larger interest of robust governance and effective administration. Sir, I would like to first of all highlight as to what an urban agglomeration is. As defined by Census of India 2011, an urban agglomeration is a continuous urban spread constituting a town and its adjoining outgrowths, or two or more physically contiguous towns together with or without outgrowths of such towns. The census further clarifies that an urban agglomeration must comprise at least one statutory town and the total population of all the constituents should not be less than 20,000 as per the previous census. Thus, an urban agglomeration is essentially a cluster of urban settlements that are physically and functionally integrated. The components of an urban agglomeration constitutes core town, statutory town, which is a municipality, corporation, cantonment board or notified town area with its own urban governance structure. It serves as the nucleus around which urban expansion occurs. 2. Outgrowths, in which areas adjoining the main city or a town that exhibit urban characteristics such as developed residential colonies, industrial estates, railway colonies, education or institutional campuses. These are located outside the statutory limits but are contiguous and dependent on the core city. Contiguous towns, in which smaller towns that have grown physically close to the main city and emerge into a single urban spread due to expansion. So the expansion of the urban agglomerations are spatial continuity, consist of physically and connected urban areas without rural gaps, functional integration, population density, economic centrality, and infrastructural linkages. So in order to guide the planned development of Shillong as a state capital and regional center, the Shillong Master Plan was prepared for the years 71-91, 91-11, 211-241. The Shillong Master Plan for 2011-2041 was prepared under the GIS-based planning framework to guide the long-term and sustainable development of Shillong planning area. So the Shillong planning area covers an extent of approximately 290.51 square kilometers, encompassing the Shillong urban agglomeration and a substantial rural hinterland. The planning area spans parts of East Khasi Hills district and Riboi district, enabling integrated urban-rural planning and coordinated service delivery. The Shillong Master Plan area limits are namely North Shillong Eastern Bypass in the north and northeast, Umroi Mission and Umroi Cantonment in northwest. In the south, National Highway 40, Lightcore Peak Road. In the east, the Umken River. In the west, the Umyam River and the Umyam Lake. The Shillong planning areas consist of the following urban components, together forming the Shillong urban agglomeration, under which are Shillong Municipal Board, Shillong Cantonment Board, 10 census towns, namely Maulai, Bentor Mukra, Nomunsong, Maupat, Umpling, Nongtumai, Madan Riting, Nongse.
Badakitu ki Khubor nglapoy siya kabakot tarhado bangin daya siyembiang Khublay Shibun.